doing? Drill here with Bulletproof Dog Training in Cincinnati, Ohio. Today I'm introducing my newest 15-day board and train. This fluffy boy right here is Pete. Pete, say hi. Pete is coming to me just with basic puppy behavior problems. A lot of jumping up on people, pulling on the leash, just super excited, likes to jump up on grandkids and everything. So we're going to be working on some basic leash manners, basic obedience. As always, I'm going to go down the list of commands we do here, see what Pete knows and doesn't know, and then we'll start from there. Pete, can you come? Can you come? Hi, yes, hi, hello. Hello, kind of got to recall. Pete, can you sit? Dino, sit. Dino, sit. Kind of, oh, no, he said I'm itchy, I think I'm just going to scratch. Pete, come. Can you sit? Can you sit? Sit. No. Can you down? Can you lay down? Oh, that's a sit. That's not a down, that's a sit. Pete, can you heel? Can you heel? Can you heel? Oh, kind of. Good boy. Oh. And there he goes. There's a bullet right there. All right, so as you can see, I got a little bit of a heel to work with, and he knows sit. Well, he knows how to sit. I don't think he's going to do it on command just yet, but that's no problem. Over the next 15 days, I'm going to be working with Pete, and we're going to be getting him to where he needs to be. So when I tell him to sit, he sits. When I say come, he walks on over. And when I say down, he lays down. You can follow Pete's transformation as well as all the other dogs we train here at Bulletproof on our social media. Thank you.